we know is a 388 Peterbilt. It's a 2013 in the year. God and time, tell him vagina. You know them cats. You would know say prayer move mountain and faith without work can't sustain.
Jaman. We never give up, dog, now stop try. I figure it up, dog, no wait pun.
I want Russell, man. Man, they strong like a shit from down Brussels.
Yeah.
Oh man, Russell. Anything them man they touch, have muscle.
To the wall of me dog, them with the I pen where you only remind.
See me and say, yes, big Bobby, now you have enough work.
And the wall of me fans.
Alright, peeps. There with the man himself, you know. Bob,
yeah.
Yes, man. God and time boss, you know.
Tell them vagina line.
Yes, man.
You them are a future.
Yeah.
But Mr. Bujo say you them are fuck up the future too. And that's true. Them have to know, man. And if they don't know,
Yeah.
they not gonna do what they're supposed to do. Yeah, man, they coming like blind and lead blind. And I go and I go fall down in a ditch. Yeah, youths, and don't make fool on no fool on no man. And don't make nobody when have no more sense than no teaching or nothing, them okay on the back way. I always listen to your elder them when I speak the truth and I try to teach you know. That is it.
Yeah. So last time we come here, you know, machine was white and it wasn't so accessorized, yeah man.
That mean they dead.
Yeah man, they're ready, you know. Yes man, so tell me what you have done to the truck since we last interviewed you.
The last interview when it was white. As everybody can see, it fully makeover from inside to outside. So we have a glass ceiling with the lights around it.
Yes.
We have one on the floor as well.
Yes.
The gear stick as well.
Yeah.
The whole dashboard as well. That's why the truck win best interior at Mount Truck Show.
Yeah.
1st of January 2025. As you can see this, they are changeable light.
Yeah.
Some show you blue, some show you white.
Yeah.
Straight. And the speaker covers on both sides change. The whole flooring from the cab to the bunk
Yeah.
change. Put in epoxy flooring.
Yeah.
Also the bed joining. We have this piece of chrome.
Yeah.
And on the doors we have the chrome strip at the doors with the Peterbilt sign on both sides.
Yeah.
Pedals, steering cluster. As you can see, the door trim them. I add on plenty things on it. The flaring them was done by Kino, by I believe it's Gutters.
Yeah.
Kino do the flaring them, and the lighting them was done by different electrician.
Yeah.
Yeah. Also, my brother Shadow play a main role getting this truck together. He was the one on the ground that do all the work. Whenever I want anything to do, anything to pick up,
Yeah.
he was the one that go and get everything to give the workman them. And it was polished by Martin and some by Tipper.
Yeah.
Yes. When I was at the truck show, as you could see, the youth named Donkey Man
Yes, I.
was cleaning it up as well. And then Dean was the man that put in the floor. Dean put in the floor, Dean put in this piece here.
Yeah.
If you can open that door. It's on the door pocket. Dean convert it to work on all the chrome strip and chrome fixtures. He was the one that put them in. Some rearrange them with the fenders. Dean rearrange them as well. All of the chrome fixtures, Dean put them in. The lighting to bolt on outside, Dean get the whole done and Dean make some bracket. Dean put them on. The bumper, wasn't an original Peterbilt bumper. It was more like an international, but it's a universal.
Yeah.
But the universal plate that we get, it couldn't work.
Yeah.
So Dean was the man that fabricated the plate.
Yeah.
So it could work. So you see how the bumper fit perfect on the truck. Just fit like they did make it for this Peterbilt.
Yeah.
As we know, it's a 388 Peterbilt. It's a 2013 in the year.
Yeah.
We have a 189-18. We have a MX-13 EPA 10 PACCAR. And we have a 40 wear with 373 gear ratio.
Yeah.
And 22 tires and aluminum rims back and front.
Yeah.
Yeah, so big up Mount Garage. Mount Garage was the one purchased this truck in Canada and bring it, and then I buy it from them.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. So they have a main role in this truck as well. If I never them, me wouldn't get this truck.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. So and then the lighting in the ceiling now. We put it in the day before the truck show up.
Yeah.
So my little brother from Canada, Damien, and then otherwise known as Yellow, and my little nephew, they come and put it in, connect up the light and everything.
Proper.
Yeah, man. And the eyes them that you see,
Yes.
as you can see from the background of the eyes,
Yeah.
yeah, he bring them from Canada also and give me them.
Okay.
And the paint job on the truck, as you can see, well beautiful,
Yeah, man.
properly done. It was done by Donovan, by Gutters,
Yes.
that in St. Catherine there.
Yeah.
Donovan. And the steering, search for the steering and find it and send it to Jamaica, and then Dean was the man to put it on. We do over plenty things on it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, any more modifications in the future?
No, not on this one.
Yeah.
Maybe on next one.
It's satisfied.
Yeah, satisfied. So we get best interior at the truck show. So we don't know big Bob no inferior.
Yeah.
So anything more,
Yeah.
we have to level his score.
Which is right.
Yeah, man. Because none of them get beat up now. Some of them out there and they're sore.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Alright.
Right, they say there, you know, we no fool around work.
Yes.
Alright. So we have score. Yeah, man. So not inside here. Inside here, then can't test because they're not bad enough. You understand?
Proper.
Can't test there, they're not bad enough. And if inside here, if you get more things, they do get more things.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
So what we want to talk about now is the truck show recently.
Yeah, which aspect of it you want to talk about?
Alright. We want to talk about the race.
The race now.
Yeah, man, we want to talk about the race now. It was highly anticipated, you know.
Yes, man, it was highly anticipated. But I wasn't going to race because I did have issue from a long time. Which some of us know and some of us don't know. Mr. Buju know as well. But you have to go out there and also Mr. Buju was the one that started the remake over on this Peterbilt. He was the one that put on those 18-inch stock you see outside.
Yeah.
He was the one that put on the battery box over there.
Yeah.
He was the one that put on the fenders. Big up to Omar. That is a welder. That's Buju welder, Omar. Yeah. He worked, I believe he worked now on Port Esquivel Road.
Yeah.
Yeah, Omar. He was the one that put on the fenders around the back and make some fancy bracket.
Yeah.
Well make, yeah, Omar. Yeah, so Omar and Buju start all the process, getting it from last year, not year before last. Can you say last year?
Yeah.
2 years just come over, yeah, but them first start set it up from 2023. Omar and Buju, when it was in white. Omar and Buju put it together. Big up my brother Buju.
Yeah, man.
Love you for life like a brother. There is no other. One brother, Buju. So you think right now, he might teach you them the right thing. Because we all human beings, you know, sometimes you might get angry in a way, I say. But the Bible says foolishness make a wise man mad.
Yeah.
So that's why he gets so angry. Because of this, all of this foolishness that going on, and nobody teaching the youth them the right thing. You understand? And everybody just watching the youth them going astray and just laughing after them like this is a game stock or a show or whatsoever. You understand?
Yeah.
Can't work. Somebody have to talk out for them. Somebody have to teach them. And in everything you do, you'll get people criticize you. Do not stop when you get criticism. That simply means you're going somewhere, message a reach.
Yeah.
Because anytime you see them criticize you, that means you're them in liquor and half fake, you know. That's why them all criticize you. Yeah, but we always have to teach you them right, because in a few time, every day I get teaching like where we know now, we would have better off now. Yeah, man. And we're glad we go through with them way there too, so we can know them way. Yeah. But if somebody know you already and can teach you, you know if you go through it hard, you go through it smart.
True.
So you reach further. Yeah, man. So you have to learn and you have to take heed too. And you don't have to be careful whatsoever when you talk about yourself, because it can surely happen. No name on yourself as no bad name and name something there. Just speak positive things over on yourself and on a friend and on a group with them on a combo. Because then say birds have a feather flock together, you know.
True.
Yeah, man, and show me your company and me tell you who you be. Same so you go, man. Yeah, man. No joking, right, man. God and time. And we tell you them vagina line, you know, man. And we are making you them know say prayer move mountain and faith without work can't sustain.
Yeah, man.
You would get some wise man to look up to and listen to. Because the Bible say, better you listen to the foolishness of the wise than songs of fools.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Right, man. Them are going to learn, man, because the media didn't know, you know. I see come back, you know. What was hid from the wise and prudent now revealed to the babes of suckling. So your baby dey on the breast now. Smart and you in this a hero yeah, than you were did back in a few time when you're a big man. Because everything you can watch it on your phone. Anything you don't want for you, you don't want to search for and gain knowledge, you can go up on Google. You did there for everything for search for and gain knowledge. Because every little thing in this earth, you know, you have a little to, you know. And no little thing for you can defend yourself and street smart out the road, you know. You can't do a good all the while, you know. You have to know little badness to one little man where say them bad to and bad too. Yeah. Because sometimes some people want to deal with a certain way and you just call one man name and then just calm down. So God make everything for him purpose, man. And he make it. He say make everything for him purpose. Even wicked for the day of judgment. So think about that. And in the Bible read it. And all who believe in the Bible know so you can believe in that too. Yeah. And who don't believe in the Bible, more want to believe in it too. Because the book they never tell no lie. Everything when the book they say always come to pass.
Yeah, man.
So if the book there, everything are fulfilled. You don't believe it's the right book.
Yeah,
you don't just think about it, man, because enough of you smart, you know, smart in the wrong way. So start get smart in the right way now. Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. Alright, so we left out an important part now. We're going to talk about the engine and the tweaking. So, why you tell me about the engine and who would tweak it up for you and how you get it to sound like that at idle and the rev?
Yeah, man. I want Russell, man. Man, they strong like a ship from down at Brussels.
Yeah.
Omar Russell. Anything them man they touch have muscle. If your truck weak, your coaster, your Benz, your BMW, your van, your Isuzu, your highest, any one of them medium duty, light duty, and heavy duty vehicle, industrial and marine.
Yeah.
Nango, I want muscle, just check Russell. The man that's strong like a ship from down at Brussels. And a Linstead in located.
Yeah.
And if you can't get to link him, just link me. Because he's a branch. He's the tree and I'm a branch off his tree.
Yeah.
Plenty branch come off his tree and I am one of them. Right, they say them, man. How my Russell touch him, man?
Yes, man.
He come from America, Canada. And when I get it from Chris, I tell Russell that I want it to start out.
Yeah.
Because I know no muscle. I want to get strong.
Yeah,
man. Because I know you have a muscle.
Yes, man.
So, he sent Brian. And Brian is also an ex-branch of the tree of Omar Russell. That's a great guy. Great guy. He's very humble. Yes. Brian. Yeah, Brian. One Brian.
Yes.
He know himself, man. So, we normally do, most time, you see a laptop, you see a man rustle on the back, and you see a screen moving, and you see nobody doing nothing. He's at the next part of the world, working in the next part of the world. Yeah, that's how he work his thing, you know.
Yeah, man.
So Brian and Russell them sort it out, and tell them wanted to delete DPF and the def here in Jamaica. We don't have an issue with that here, right? So I get rid of it, and I tell him I wanted to get a properly tuned. Yeah, and he did do that. So that's why we can compete with the ISX them and compete with anything that we're not afraid.
Yeah.
Either win, lose or draw.
Yeah.
Cause they know what they already say amount of tune when me carry and carry. Right now if you're looking at it, I say something and me just a draw.
Yeah.
Yeah man, that's true man. Oh man, Russell man, you have the money. Muscle. You have the muscle. And big up my brother Carrot.
Yeah.
Over so I want part in America.
Yeah.
And you the smart. One Carrot, you know. We are forward from far.
Yeah.
As youths and grow up. They don't have to be like some man in a fury where they all are with them the time there. And it did look like we need to get a shine. But look what we know. We are star.
Yeah, man.
Yeah man. Check out Carrot. Possibly one day if you give me an interview.
Yes, man.
One Carrot, I really youth man. Then you they give youth strength. Then you they not give no statement.
That
One
is it.
Carrot. And the thing is, he face it too and me face it too.
Yeah.
You see time we help people
Yeah.
and people ungrateful and he respect and he look the things where we are look back for the people and where we help, we never get it back. Carrot face it, me face it, even in my circle when me there. Same people when me help and them same one come back and I try to defeat me. But we can't get defeat man. Cause God and time we say man.
That
And
is
who just bless, no man curse.
That is
And
it.
then you they pray often. Yeah man, enough time I go places man and people are try to defame their name man. And me look on them good man and wild and wicked man and them have to tap. Right, that's how them have to left it. Yeah man. Cause we can't make them defeat the brother them on road, you know. We can't do it. We would have to be hypocrite. We can't make them defeat the brother them on road.
That is it.
But at the same time, we brother them have to try to defeat we too. Cause we know say one blood, you know. Yeah man, one blood and unity and strength and bad mind and fuckery.
Yeah.
Yeah man, and this side man. As they say, my brother Shadow, I am a man on the ground. I get everything done. All me do was speak and provide the funds.
Yeah.
And Shadow deal with everything.
That is
Big
it.
up yourself, Shadow.
Yeah, man.
Brother for life.
Yeah, man.
Yeah man.
So some people have been asking if this truck will be put to work.
It possibly no. Because it fit and ready for work.
Yeah.
But if somebody interested in it too, and them come with the right price, and make me a good offer,
Yeah.
I will give them. Yeah man, cause we know relish things.
Yeah.
Everything and all of them are vanity. You understand? We glad so we have them and we thank God for bless we with them, but we not gonna worship them.
Yeah.
You understand that God alone for get praise and worship.
That is it.
Alright, that's how them man. Yeah man.
man.
So for them if sell and for a man want if he buy, me not tell him no. He might go on with it. Because he love him more than me, that's why I want if he buy.
Yeah, man.
So me just sell him and start all over again. Because you know the process now on top.
Yeah, man.
As long as the breath a blow out away, we are going to produce things. You understand?
Yeah.
Make people see it. Because people always love everything when we do. I know everything they love, but they love most things. And in this earth, yeah, you know, I'm going to get everybody to accept you.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, because I know everybody we accept too. So you go the same way. This world is a cycle, you know, man.
That is it.
Yeah, man, so just careful youth wanna do, because wanna do today, come back around and wanna tomorrow if you no catch you no picnic. So always try to do good.
That is
Yeah,
it.
man, I love people picnic. I no preach no bad prayer, no bad word for people picnic. No matter you see them look rugged and mad and black and ugly or white and pink and whatsoever. Don't preach bad pan them. And what thing you can do for you, them I pray some good prayer for them. Because I don't pray bad prayer to you know.
Yeah, man.
But God not answer it. And God know why he not answer bad prayer.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. So, you be careful when I say about people picking them, man. Because youth, them are the future, you know.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, but and that's why Buju have to out here, and me have to out here, and some whole heap more man have to out here to tutor them. Right. I hit, man. God and time, man. Tell them to join the line, man. Far where I come from, you know, man, and we still have far if we going, man.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. But we have to make the people them know and the youth them know too. And enough young youth look up to we, you know.
Yeah, man.
Last night, me did on one live. So one little youth I say, Father Baba, message. And say, Father Baba, you make me come a truck show and I come to see your truck. And I say, that's good, man. They look up to me and respect me. And he say, yes. And I see youth name, KJ Sinner 5. So I say, youth, you see that name there, you need to change it. Movie Sinner and movie 5. 5 mean thief in a Japan or cash pad.
Yeah.
And put 7. 7 mean completion. And put from the sinner you change the sinner to winner.
Yeah.
So immediately you change it from KJ Sinner 5 to KJ Winner 7, you know, man.
Yeah.
You have to teach you them all these things.
Yeah, man.
Whatsoever you put by yourself, you will carry your back and hold your back, man. So just put good things to yourself and think positive. Negativity will come in, you know, but think positive.
That is it.
The more positive you think, and more positive things happen to you.
Yeah, man.
So, see it there? He understand, because nobody never tell him that before. I know he understand and he change his name. And I know say he will reach further than when he did there.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, in Jesus' name, man.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. And you don't know we not look no fame, you know.
Yeah.
And you them are we aim. You don't know we born wild and we can't tame.
Yeah.
And we don't have we name.
Yeah, man.
And we have we aim. You understand?
She's
And
right.
we not do nothing wrong for them say we staying.
That is it.
We dip on the main. We not going in a alley because we not deal with folly. Right, they say them. God and time.
Yeah, man. Yeah, I heard some cash money drivers and some other man saying them still want to exercise the PACCAR. They're calling you out for our next race. What do you have to say about that?
Yeah, man, big up cash. And one cash.
Yeah.
Then you the smart and then wise and they have them stash.
Yeah.
That a cash. And none of them drive and crash.
Yeah.
And that the greatest. And one cash.
Yeah, man.
Man, the thing large. Them man they not rich, them man they tango. Big up yourself, cash. And big up in driver them. Because when I driver them, I'm my friend them.
Yeah.
I'm gonna classify them as my brother them too.
Yeah.
You understand? And then a light, so then I blow a light no fall feather then too. Yeah, but competition a good something. Yeah, man. We have to, as long as we can present ourselves, we entertain people,
Yeah.
that is good. So I see him way when we get smarter too, we can go in a church and live with Jesus and entertain some young soul if we go in a church too. You understand?
Yeah, man.
But everything have to talk about. And they say they want to run the PACCAR.
Yeah.
Which me not no problem because I don't chuck show you whole heap of chuck down the car.
Yeah, man.
So we can plan one race. I would have liked to do it down at Vernam. But it have to go arrange and deal with good and safe for all the spectator. Them where look not in no danger. You understand?
Yeah,
so I believe Mr. Cash will agree for his guys them come and race. Buju will agree and plenty more people will involved in a fun activity.
Yeah.
Then we agree to, but we have to get it deal with lawfully, correctly, and in the right form and in the right way.
Yeah,
you understand? We know we Jamaican love do foolishness sometimes.
Yes, man.
Because we are Jamaican, that's why people love we, and the same reason that's why people hate. You understand? And that's why we hate one another too.
That is it.
Yeah, man. Because we're smart and anything we do we great. Anything we put we into, it come to perfection.
Yeah, man.
So we have to just do the right thing lawfully. When you do it lawfully, you don't have no problem. We don't have no problem for race, because somebody have to win, you know, and somebody have to lose.
Yeah, man.
You understand? And we not come here to have like nothing to prove.
Yeah.
We just have fun and entertainment. Everybody say PACCAR is no good. PACCAR excellent, brother.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. PACCAR I give you more mileage than an ISX. One of them red engine, you know.
Yeah, man.
From the ISX come from the factory. It has been proven, and you can Google and check it. ISX come from the factory, I give about 6 million miles. And
600,000
600,000 miles,
Yeah.
right? And the PACCAR I give you 1300,000 miles.
Yeah, man.
Nowadays, people don't really look for power per se, you know, but they want to drive and feel comfortable too. Yeah. Nowadays, people are look for reliability. And where them spend their money, hard-earned money, you know, them are look for one profit money. You understand? Yeah. So, I think most company going to start go to the PACCAR because they're really reliable and is one of the best diesel engine right now in America, Canada, the Caribbean. Best burning diesel engine right now. Yeah. When it come on to the MPG, it beat every other else diesel engine.
Yeah, man.
So, truck owners, they're going to look at that. The little issue it have is the DPF and the DEF system. If you can get that rectified, you don't have no more problem with it. You know, burst up in the head, you know, mash up all of them something there. If you do it time, you just do it time, you just have to overall. You understand?
Yeah,
but if you not do it time, you get service out of it. And that we are look service. Yeah. And they have power too. It's a 13, they call it 12.9 liter. So you just run it off as a 13 liter. Yeah. Yeah. A good man. Yeah, and it now prove itself. It proved itself already. Yes, worldwide. And it still prove itself. I true enough for the young youth and they love hear the loud jakes and the whatsoever. Yeah. And feet jakes not really loud, but is the sharpest jakes that the sharpest engine brake. Yeah. And exhaust brake that ever built on a truck. You're going down any hill in high speed and you know if you use a brake. If you ever go in a low, the truck will stop with the load. All 50 ton, the truck will stop with the load on it. Yeah. When me driving it empty, me not have to use a brake. Anytime me apply the engine brake, the truck stop like a brake me press. Me even a bow in the truck. But you know you reach to a point like when you come to about 500 RPM, it normally every computer jake so that cut out right there. So then you have to use a brake for sudden stop. You understand?
Yes, man.
I will please the people, you know? Yeah. People then come out to have fun and big up a little youth them on the social media, TikTok and Instagram and Facebook, where believe in a Mr. Bob, believe in a PACCAR. Yeah, man. Me never let you down, you know?
Yeah, man.
Never let you down. Never let you down. The PACCAR never let you down, you know?
Yes, man. The whole heap of people believe in a PACCAR, man.
Yeah, man.
Yes, man.
So we just want the world to say, you have stamina.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. And it's full of glam.
Yeah, man.
And glitter. Yeah, man. And it's full of vim, vigor, and vitality, too.
Which is right.
The PACCAR, man. An engine, you know, man?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. An engine, man.
Right. Seeing that you're a man who grew up in the Jamaican trucking industry, why would I still want to see going forward?
I want to see nothing go forward, you know, but one of the wickedest thing and one of the cruelest thing, there is no unity in the trucking industry. Yeah. So, we can want and believe and think, but it's not going to happen. Because we Jamaican, no matter which part of the world we go, we do not unite. That is one of our problems, unity. We don't unite. And when we all know that unity is strength, that's the time when we're going to move forward in anything we're doing. The Spanish people, they help them one another. The Filipino, they help them one another. Some American, they help them one another. Some British, they help them one another. Where wickedest part, the Jamaican, they just want to show off on them one another. Why showing off? Why you can't help, brethren? Help your brother go up the ladder, no man. Alright, go up the ladder then. And then you carry him up. Because you can't go up on a job somebody to, you know. Yeah. You have to reach, then you do it. And when you don't get help from the people, them, man, you don't have to be ungrateful, man. You don't have to be grateful, man. Respect them and show them, man.
That is it.
I hate, man. The price increase. The price in them and the job them. And they work them.
Yeah.
They're not good for morning. Because for the day, me come in a truck and a sideman pan truck. Me I tell you about for 96, me there pan truck with my brother. Me there from garage to truck for 96. If same price, then me then usually go all Westmoreland, St. James for I same price. Me see I go until now.
Yeah.
Don't no change. And everything are increased. Gas oil did cheaper them the time. The tire did cheaper.
Yeah.
Wear and tear on the truck did cheaper. The only thing cheap for truck right now in a man I work, you know.
True, man.
Everything else expensive, you know.
Real.
And the owner them now do nothing for change it. Because I can't change until the owner them do something for change it.
Yeah, man.
Everybody a fight against them one another. It's all about power struggle. My boss over came and all say it's a dick measuring competition and depend. If you see which who for dick longer or whatsoever.
Yeah.
That simply mean you compete with that man. That can't work, it will carry your back. And it will cause confusion. You don't have to agree at something, man, and have to come together and have to unite. If you don't unite, everybody have to fight.
Yeah, man.
The price in them and the work them when man them a take. And one man they go take it cheap already. And then one next man come.
Yeah, man. Broke foot.
And go take it less cheaper.
Yeah, man.
Then here we have one next man come and go take it less cheaper too. No unity. Why everybody, first man when they done take it cheap already and it look like it could have worked. Why everybody not just beg him lick like work? Or why you not give everybody lick like work so nobody now if you go cheaper than you try to break your foot?
Yeah.
Everything would have gone good in a man. But no unity not in a man. As daddy's figure would have say. One time gone, I paid dunks people usually run truck.
Yeah.
And he usually work. Because them dunks usually work, you know.
Yeah.
Because them a tell you say, this them want to do your work.
Yeah,
Is it true them dunks they not go calculate nothing and say in a 10-year work out.
Yeah.
And know they want it to work.
Yeah, man.
So that's why usually work them. Everybody coming now in a truck, them are accountants, liar and thief and rich man and whatsoever. So them go up on them paper.
Yeah, man.
And me say thief, white collar criminal them. Then go up on them pen and paper and then check up your work. Then say it's cheap, you know, but if you do it today for $5 and do it for next 10 years for $5, in a 10-year time we are going to end up with $2 million. I somebody them calculate that, you know. That's why I chuck business gone away for them, you know. But a man with dunks, he gonna tell you say $500 if you do it now and I $500 one if you do it now. And in a 10 year a man with dunks would have $5 billion in a 10 year.
Yeah, man. Real.
You see what I say?
Yeah, man.
So that is because a man them were bright. Come in and chucking and mash you up. Man them with the dunks, usually work for them and work good and then usually unite to and then the dunks. Imagine that. And you know we're bright. Can't unite. Eh? Feel it too smart, man, and I don't want to listen to nobody else. So anytime we get all of these pints, but we are talking about address. Well, right now go address, but if you even reach 75%, it'll go better. And you know who laugh? The contractor then laugh. Where Chuck man them a work for. Because then she said they not no sense, they no unite. So then take them and deal with, do them anything. If you have 20 somebody a job material, and if 15 agree out of 20, you think if 5 can override the 15?
What's that?
Them have to work with them. Everybody now go agree, you know. Because if some people no see same thing where you see at the same time, and you know when they see it, when it's too late, they might say, right, you didn't know say I chewing that too late already, you did don't make your decision.
Yeah, man.
So when you make all the decisions, they have to be careful, you know, because it will go back in a time go haunt you, you know. Yeah, man. Anytime they can reach them point there, where they can agree with them one another for some good money, because the people, them will have a product for carry, you know, they not feel for pay. They have the money for pay, you know, because they know how much for pay, you know. But you will go there now go bid against your next brother where you done do it one little way cheap already. We could a little bit work out and you gonna go bid it lower than him where he can't work out no way.
Yeah.
That not gonna make it, brother. That are gonna make him man them we have a product for carry a laugh after, you know.
Real, man.
No for you might not agree with me, you know. But me not don't care. We just want to know say word go out there and no fuck with me attack. Me attack righteousness.
Yeah.
Look on picture jam. I think none of the man can get on a load cheaper than none. They have one union. And I price what's set by the union. Everybody cross the border for work with. You see, they have no disagreement and no foolishness out there. Anytime they strike and more money they want and they have to get it. Because they run the country. If no gas, no gas station, and no diesel, and no machine and no vehicle run on the road. But the union fear, because I do it right on the margin where everybody can live in and kill nobody. But it's at the same time, the truck man them, if you make them money where they can fix them truck.
That is it.
Every have out here, we not gonna really have one union like that because everybody have a go and crave now whatsoever. Every have a union set like how the union set feel like all them sugar worker and them Jamalco and them Petrojam trucking in a Jamaica right across the country. It will better. You understand?
Yeah, man.
It will better. And you have to look for people who have money to do the union there too. And farm union. Because man, when I have money and I want farm union and I want in a position, I go thief money and that's why you fool in the show go on again.
Yeah.
All about greed. Nobody no want to satisfy. Everybody want to have too much today. They no want join the line for constant drip. In a 10-year time, they have what they're supposed to have. They just want to create everything right now.
Yeah.
That can't work. You understand? If we need to work, it chuck them so it would have good. Because every truck man would have money and can fix the truck at the same time. And so the truck work for work. And now them say no. You know, in a 10-year time they have no money. They want it now. Because now the truck can do work.
Yeah, man.
Anytime they can agree and deal with the thing that we there, trucking will better. And people will have fun at work. Back in the days, usual work, truck, I work with it and we have fun same time. Because we always dress up in a good clothes. When we are good on the road, we tap and make it truck cool down and we tap and get a drink, have a little food. Man, I'll tap and go to the beach and then sit there too.
Yeah, man.
You can't do that again, brother. Man, no money. I didn't get paid Friday, the driver get paid Friday, so the money done again. Monday ain't gonna trust again. The owner of the truck get paid Friday. Monday ain't gonna have to go trust diesel again. Can't work, brother. Some of them are in daily living, you know.
Yeah,
In
man.
daily living. They have to live off. I'd send them picnic at school. I'd put food on them table. And I people them wanna just aggregate for a problem, you know. I see him truck man them wanna work with a problem. Because if everybody stick out, this thing will work. But 10 can't stick out. And 10 not stick out.
True, man.
You understand?
Yeah.
Yeah, man. So anytime they can get the hack there together, the thing will work. And work you right here too.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
That is it.
God and time, man.
Yeah, man.
I eat, man. No joke. No, we no smoke coke.
That is it.
That won't travel on board.
Yes, I.
And people then see me and say, yes, Big Bobby, now you have enough hope.
Which is
Right.
right.
And praise the Lord, then I praise the Pope. Right now we are talking and people and take it for a joke.
Yes, I.
We don't want to hear how go up and careful because we don't go up all in a smoke. Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
See big broad see what there's a look out there, see a ship afloat.
Yeah, man.
Alright. No joke. God and time, tell them vagina line, man. That's how we full of rhyme.
Yeah, man.
We make it people them feel happy, man. They can't make them sad. Sometimes when some people come on buck up all on your video and then sit there and then start listening to you, man. Then too much can't have to meet, brother. Because some of them are go through some depression and some sickness, man.
Yeah, man.
And when they watch all the video and they can smile, oh God, they know the amount of pain they take out of their heart and soul, man.
Yeah, man.
Yes, man.